I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
Hello guys, you welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for discovering this channel, and for my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming. So in this channel we do a lot of beauty stuff, weight loss, and many more. Okay, so today I will be going on a different direction. Okay, so I am on a weight loss journey. First of all, let me tell you a story. When I gave birth to my son, I was weighing 118 in 2018, October of 2018. I was weighing 118. So I tried to cut down the way I eat by doing portion control, because I was breastfeeding and it was exclusive breastfeeding, which I did for 1 year and 5 months. So guys, I approached a dietitian. He gave me a plan to follow, which was so strict, and come to think of it, I'm breastfeeding a baby, and coming to do this, it's not that easy. So I have to do my research, and what I found was amazing. So those are the tips I will be using in this channel. In 2019 of October, I was able to lose a lot of weight to 83. I will be putting the pictures here. So guys, in my last video, I have told you what I always eat in the morning. So if you have not watched that video, I will put the link up so that you can go and check that video. In this video, I'll be showing you what I take in the morning. Okay, it's called Tummy Blaster. I do it in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Guys, I want you to follow me in this journey, okay? Because right now I started with 103 kg, and now it's just a month I've been able to lose 10 kilo. So this is the same trick that I will be using for you guys. So it's not like something you go to the internet, you just copy and paste. No, this is my own experience. I'm showing you my own experience, and it is not difficult. Okay, so what I'll be showing you today is called Tummy Blaster, how you can reduce belly fat. So guys, I want you to follow me. I will show you the ingredients I will be using and how I'm using it. Okay, so first of all, I've already washed my cucumber. I told you my recipe is cucumber. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you. I will not be talking in the whole of this clip. I just want to let you know the process of this whole thing. So what I'm doing here is for me to cut my cucumber into smaller pieces, because I don't want to put them just the whole of it and start blending. Okay, so I will be blending into smaller pieces. Blend as smoothly as you can. Okay, then after that I will sieve it and I will add my lemon to it. Okay, you will be seeing what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch to the end and try this. Try this, you will see a perfect result. Just trust the process. Okay, bye bye. I will see you at the end of this video.
It's hard, I've been scarred from now fighting. Waking up, stomach is starved, I keep grinding. 6 a.m, life isn't hard, I keep reciting. It feels like I might fall apart, I keep trying. Sun's coming up and the glare is so blinding. I'm sick of hearing and seeing all of the people whining. You want something good, then you better go put the time in. You get what you pay for, and time is money, we climbing. It's prime time, it's my time, I got it. I'll be just fine, my mind, you can't stop it. Give me a vine to climb and I'll top it. Grow yourself a spine, got mine, that's a promise. Take a deep breath and head towards the darkness. The light at the end wasn't put there by no novice. My hand I extend, so welcome to my office. No time to repent, we're building and not stopping. We're gonna take it slow, and and we gon' make it out this hole. And ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow, and we ain't gonna take it slow. And we gon' make it out this hole, and ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow, yeah, I'm the fucking show. I'm gonna rule this world one day. Y'all finna know the name. I'm spitting game to the people who decide our fate. I'll make a name in history, be one of the greats. I've got the traits that you need to get past the gates. Man, I don't wait, I exceed every single day. A different breed, yeah, I put it on display. Got all I need, and it's up inside my brain. I will succeed, cause I tell myself that every day. Y'all will concede and remember the name. Shout out to Fort Minor, cause it's 50% pain, but that 5% of pleasure's why I'm still in the game. And I exceed every measure by hard work, I'll explain. It's early mornings and late nights. It's fight and sleep, that's the hardest fight. But when you sleep, someone's passing by. You better try harder and fight smarter to go farther. Become your own monster, call a self-starter. Take it slow, and we gon' make it out this hole. And ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow, and we ain't gonna take it slow. And we gon' make it out this hole, and ain't nobody stopping us, no. So watch me as I go, watch me as I grow, yeah, I'm the fucking show. Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm the one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah. People tell me I won't get it. They don't know me cause I'm cold winning. Always in the ninth, I closing. It's always in my mind, don't know quitting. I'ma be the one that blows up in it. You gon' be the one that shows up missing. I'ma be the one that knows my mission. You gon' be the one with no ambition. I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash. Always look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the facts. Got nothing to lose, so I put the pen to bed. That's what I do, hard work always lasts. And the pain's not an act, no, it hurts real bad. But you have to attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast. They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
Guys, so I take this mixture in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. It's so effective. If you have any question regarding this video, please do not forget to let me know. You can drop the comments or your question in the comment section. I will attend to it. Okay, bye.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit.